Today we are unboxing my Goldie box. I'm super excited to be getting into this fall box. I know it's starting to already feel like winter is not far around the corner, but until then we are going to enjoy the fall season. So let's take a look at what is inside my fall 2024 box. If you haven't heard of Goldie box, she has 3 different levels that you can get: bronze, silver, or gold. And I get the gold box. It's a cost of $60. Plus I'm in Canada, so US, this is $60. Plus I pay shipping, plus I pay exchange and taxes and all that. By the time I'm done, this box basically costs me about $100, and I still feel like it's a really good deal. There's always a pamphlet, if you wish to get one, in the box that has all of the prices and the items so you can see the value of everything that you receive. I only choose to get this box when I really feel like there are things inside that I will use and find value in, and that's the wonderful thing about her box. You can cancel or you can put your subscription on hold without penalty at any time. So let's get into it. Oh, right off the top, I see something I'm so excited about. This was one of the things that actually really intrigued me to get this box. It is so cute. It's called Pumpkin Spice Whipped Foaming Soap. And I just want to look inside. I love this smell, and look at that. Doesn't it just look good enough to eat? I think it is so cute. It smells as amazing as it looks. And one of the things that I've heard people interested in using this for is like as a shaving cream. So I think that will be great to have in the shower, and just the scent and everything, pumpkin spice, yay for that. She actually had some candles that smelled amazing, but instead of candles, I actually chose to get these. And with her subscription, you can actually get multiple items. If there are different choices of colors or designs within the same category, you can actually choose both. So I could have chose 2 different candles, or I could have chose 1 candle and one of these, but I decided to go ahead and get one of these pumpkin pecan spice scented by Elle. I went and found her on Instagram. She is a young college or university student that is using this business to help pay her tuition. She has such a smart eye for design that when I saw, let's want to see what this smells like. When I saw her page, I was really inspired to try her products and to support her in her endeavors. Okay, so you just remove the cap. Yeah, that smells as good as my other pumpkin spice. And then the idea is it's a essential oils air freshener, all natural. Remove the wooden lid and stopper. Screw the wooden lid back on. Carefully tie onto your rear view mirror. Tip upside down for 1 or 2 seconds. 1, 2. Okay, so you can see that it's actually infused a little bit there. And then you can hang it up and then let that scent. Yeah, it works. I can smell it really well. Let that scent infuse into your space. So I can add it to my fall display here. Let's just put that guy there. And that can add a beautiful fall scent. But the other thing that I wanted to do actually was to hang one in my craft room, because I actually don't usually burn candles, but I do love the scent and the look of them. I thought this would be a fun thing to add for a scent. So this one is Maple Pecan Swirl. And you can see that inside they have these beautiful little floral pieces as well. And I'm going to remove the stopper from this one also. Let's see what maple pear swirl smells like. Okay. Yeah, beautiful. I really love gourmand smells, so this is just perfect. Yeah, that is really nice. I am going to put the lid back on without the stopper. So they are going to be just a beautiful addition to add a lovely scent to my room. So I'm really happy about that. So far, I'm loving this box. Okay, I can even tell you some of the prices for these. So the Scented by Al had a value of $12 each. There were Northern Wick candles that were also $12 each that I could have chose as well. The whipped soap was $24.99. Here's a high ticket value item at $44. This is the Earth Harbor Vitamin C Serum. And I've been using a vitamin C serum that came in my FabFitFun box. I've really been enjoying that. And so this is what this gorgeous bottle looks like here. So as soon as I'm done with my current vitamin C, I will move over into this one. I know there's no scent that I can smell. I know Jess was saying that she has been like hoping to get Earth Harbor in the box for a really long time. So that is exciting for her. She is really well educated on skincare. Personally, she has an interest in the products that she uses for herself, and that's how I've come to discover her in her boxes through her FabFitFun reviews. And the next item is also a skincare item, also a high ticket value item, and that is this Bella Pierre $86 value. It is a purifying milky cleanser infused with ultra fine 24 karat gold powder, nourishing vitamins and oils. So this is what this one looks like. And that will be a great cleanser to try when I'm done my current skincare regimen that I have. We'll give that a whirl. So another exciting product. This was one of the things that really also convinced me to go ahead and get the box. I love this idea and this design. This is a bento box, and it is totally my style as far as the design. It is so cute, and I do take a lunch to work as well as pack lunches for my kids. So to have a container that is cute like this and could store some different lunch materials, create a little salad or like something that wouldn't need to be heated up, basically, because I don't like to heat things up in plastic. But it has this little elastic on here. You could even bring a variety of different baked goods or treats or whatever it is that you want to have at work. So that is that item. And the value on the bento box, $16. Okay, and the last choice in the box, I have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just want to make sure, because there's some free items that come in the box as well. So the last item that I chose in this box is this LSW Morning Notes. So it has a $26.16 value, and it is a way to start your day with setting intentions. It takes less than 5 minutes to help you practice gratitude. And this is what it looks like on the inside. So you have some goal setting, some daily habits, I have received products from this brand before through my Goldie box and really enjoyed them. So I thought that I would give this a try. It is from London, all the way from London. This 12-week journal for everyday well-being. Monday to Sunday, there's an undated journal to start your day with intention and help you achieve your goals. What is my intention for today? What obstacles might I need to overcome to achieve my intention? What can I learn from yesterday to make today even better? What 3 things will I do today that will make me happy? What am I grateful for? So that you can do that every day and help somewhat like a gratitude journal, a wellness journal. And speaking of which, I did add on 2 items. So this is something that I had previously received in the box, but I actually gifted to a friend who was really interested. She saw my unboxing and was inquiring about it. I gifted it to her, knowing that I could go back and purchase another one. So I did purchase this one, and I actually also purchased a second one, so that now I have 2 or 3. So I can keep one for myself, and then I can gift one to someone that I think would value. I actually have someone in mind for those right there. Now, with this box, you get 3 mystery items at the gold level. At the bronze level, you get 1. Silver, you get 2. And at the gold, you get 3. So I will show you the 3 items that I have received. The one for the bronze is a Luxe Glow facial dry brush. So this is the Luxe Glow. This has a $25 value, and it is so that you can do like a dry brushing. To be honest with you, I don't use anything like this, but I could see actually using this in my craft room for stippling. This is like the perfect kind of brush for that. So I think I might repurpose this into a craft room tool. And the second item for the silver bonus was, these socks. I absolutely appreciate and love getting socks in a box anytime they are a choice. Wow, those are incredibly soft. These are wonderful. Anytime that there's this as a choice, this is something that I would pick for a box. So I'm so glad that it has been chosen for me. And here it is here. They are gray. They came in a variety of different colors, and there wasn't a bad color to get. I'm happy with my gray ones. And then the silver, that was a silver bonus. Funny that it was silver. And then the gold bonus was, or is, this. Look at these cute spoons. So they have a pumpkin and the measurement on the handle, and they're all attached by this cute twine. It says a wooden spoon set of 4 decorated with pumpkins can be used as kitchen decor and hung up with the jute string that ties them together. So, very cute. Something to also add. Actually, you know what? I'll add this to my 3-tier tray. If you watched my FabFitFun unboxing, you'll see the disaster of the candle that I received. That basically, I took out the remnants of what was left of the candle and actually just used it to be a decorative piece here. But perhaps we can do something and use this as a container to house my wooden spoons. So those little pumpkins are peeking out. I'll have to play around with that. take off the tag probably, and then have those as part of my display. That's my fall box. I felt like it really felt like fall. That's one thing that I appreciate about this box. When I get the FabFitFun box, I don't find that it has enough seasonally inspired products that make it really feel like the holiday. They have so many choices in those boxes that you would think that they could add a seasonal decor piece or something that would feel like the season. But this box really had so many wonderful fall scents and inspired products that really feel like all the things I love about fall. So I'm happy to have these added to my collection. I can smell these beautiful essential oils. They are really filling up my space here, so I'm happy for those. If you are interested, I will leave links down below. I also have a discount code for her box as well. So if you're interested in subscribing to the Goldie box, the information will be listed below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.